Okay, this is Reese's first time. July 14th is actually Adara's due date. Her first time at a pool. Let's leave this in Spencer's apartment. Okay, I'll take her head thing off.
Hey, don't splash, don't splash. Oh, wow.
Is it warm in there? Her aunties are kissing her. She'll be 5 weeks old tomorrow. Is it warm in there?
Yeah.
It's funny because it's like the day that it's the coldest is the day we're swimming in the pool.
It's very warm though.
She likes it.
Yeah, put her hands in. These two wants to hold. Listen, go get our real thing.
Alright. She's like having a good time. Reese's first time in the pool. Everybody.
She's like this.
There's Kathy and Hosanna and Johan and Annika. There's Greg, Arnie, Spencer, and Ethan. Hello, everybody. And Mom and Adara. She's like a little pro.
Hey, listen, go get the real camera.
All right.
I won't be able to watch that. It's too grainy.